touch your eyes. Don't touch your
eyes.
Take some water, Megan.
I tried to warn you.
Mom, give him milk.
It's not like he.
Oh no, he missed. How many glasses you gonna get? You only need one.
Give him milk. Mom, you're supposed to get him milk.
Let him get some. He thinks that his tongue's open. Let him.
Oh God, I hate you.
No more for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Oh my God. Daddy.
Look at him.
Daddy,
Oh, that's gonna make it worse.
No, that's gonna make it worse.
No, get a glass. You stupid ass.
Daddy,
That's gonna make it worse.
It's gonna more burn.
Dude, water.
Get milk.
Drink, eat ice. Eat ice.
Don't touch your eyes. It's gonna burn your eyes.
Oh. Use some toothpaste.
Some toothpaste.
Oh God.
Toothpaste. Is he okay?
I bet you ain't got that.